If your bank account balance feels like a roller coaster, you're not alone. But I promise, mastering money isn't about earning more, it's about spending smarter. Did you know the average student spends 70% of their non-essential income on things they regret buying 3 days later? We need a system. Forget complicated spreadsheets. Start with this rule: 50 for needs, 30 for wants, and automatically send the other 20 straight into savings. Before you buy anything, ask yourself, is there a cheaper way to do this? These 3 habits alone can free up hundreds every month. The biggest flex isn't the item you buy, it's proving to yourself that you can wait. Be intentional about every single dollar. If your spending chart looks like this, too much on streaming and takeout, you're losing money before you even start. We need to flip that ratio. The most powerful financial tool you have isn't a credit card, it's time. Starting early compounds everything. Compound interest means your money makes money, and then that profit also makes more money. Start small, but start today. Don't just look for minimum wage jobs. Package your unique skills, like editing videos or tutoring math, and sell them online. You need to know these 3 concepts. They are the foundation of building real wealth and protecting yourself from unexpected bills. Always attack high-interest debt first. But once you're free of that, pivot hard into investing to let those numbers work for you. It doesn't require a huge lump sum. Just setting aside an extra $50 every single month proves that consistency is the ultimate financial superpower. Remember that the goal of money isn't to buy luxury, it's to eliminate stress and give you control over your time. Don't try to fix everything at once. Just pick one thing, maybe it's tracking your coffee spending, and commit to it for 30 days. You got this.